Welcome to English language grammar vocabulary usage. If you thought that singular is equal to 1 and plural is equal to 2 or more, the grammar was oversimplified to save trouble. While you say 1 meter and 3 meters, what would you say for 1.5? Would you say meter or meters? Because it's not 2 or more. At the same time, it is more than 1. What would you say for 0.5 meter or meters? Because it is less than 1. So we revisit the concept of number, that is singular and plural in grammar for real life use. So when it comes to numbers between 1 and 2 or values less than 1. Now 1 is singular. So less than 1, it cannot be singular. If you define 1 as singular, so less than 1 cannot be singular. So what will you say? And what will you say for 1.5, which is between 1 and 2, more than 1 but less than 2? So it's not 1 and it's not 2 or more. So in fractional quantities, what is the correct form, singular or plural? We shall see. The traditional definitions, singular 1, plural 2 or more, it will work fine in examples like these. 1 triangle, 2 triangles. 1 box, 3 boxes. 1 boy, 5 boys. So in these cases, it works very well. But there will be other quantities which could cause confusion and which will not fall under any of these two categories. Now here we have a box. Length of the box 3 meters. 3. So it is plural. No doubt about that. 3 is always plural, 3 meters. Height of the box. See the vertical line, height of the box 1.5. Now it is neither meter nor meters. It's not 1, it's not 2 or more. 1.5. So what will you say? Singular or plural? Meter or meters? Confusion. Similarly, see this 0.5. So what will you say? Now it is not 1. 1 means singular, but it is not 1. Less than 1. So what will you say? Meter or meters? A doubt remains. So for fractional quantities, what would be the correct form? Meter or meters? We shall see. So the correct way to understand grammar is to redefine singular and plural. Singular when it is exactly 1 meter, 1 mile. Plural is when it is anything other than 1. 2 meters, okay. 2.5 meters, plural, fraction, greater than 2. 1.7 meters, plural, fraction, greater than 1. 0.3 meters, plural, although the fraction is less than 1. The fraction is less than 1, but still meters. Why? Anything that is not exactly 1 would be plural. Anything that is not exactly 1, it can be less than 1, it can be more than 1, it can be between 1 and 2, it can be 1.5, 1.3, 1.7, or it can be 0.1, 0.5, less than 1. Anything that is not exactly 1 would be plural. So 0.3, less than 1, still meters, plural. 1.7, it is less than 2, but still plural, meters. 2.5, meters. Only when it is exactly 1, we say meter. So we redefine singular means 1, exactly 1, and plural anything other than 1, less than 1, more than 1, anything other than 1, that is plural. In Old English, this problem was bypassed with usages like a mile and a third. 1 by 3 we call a mile and a third. 2.5, we used to say 2 miles and a half. But today we don't say a mile and a third, we don't say 2 miles and a half, we say 2.5, 1.3. So today any quantity other than 1, it may be less than 1, it may be greater than 1, but any quantity other than 1 is plural. Any fractional quantity plural. Only when it is exactly 1, that is singular. So reserve singular for exactly 1, and anything other than exactly 1, less than 1, greater than 1, anything, any fraction, it should be plural. So was that useful and interesting? Follow us for informative educational videos on various topics. And if you need a video on any specific topic, write to us. All our services are completely free for students all over the world. So we will come back with more informative videos, more interesting and useful videos. Till that, thank you and goodbye.